Hi and welcome to our channel Aura Arts, and this is me Ishwarya. Let me introduce this course here. This is online drawing course and I am going to teach you from the basic level to advanced level. So let's get into our first class. So whenever we start our day, we do exercise to stay fit. Likewise, drawing also needs exercise. So our first exercise in today's lesson is the line practice. Okay. First, we will draw this sleeping line from the right to left like this. Right to left, and it should be in the one stroke only. Do a single stroke. Now, after right to left, we will do left to right. From both the sides, we have to practice this like this. Left to right, left to right, left to right. Do it in just one single stroke, right? Now, the next we are going to do is from top to bottom, okay? So, let's start top to bottom. Just make a single line, don't overwrite, and just without lifting up your hand, make it continuously. Now, next is from bottom to top like this. This is the line practice which is very important to learn any kind of drawing. Okay, this is the first one and this is the second one. Now, the third exercise is circling. Drawing a circle practice. Okay, you all know how to make a circle. Okay, first of all, we are going to put some dots like this and then we will make a circle. Now, just continuously round and round and round and round. Do like this continuously and draw it over on. So, this will improve your curve. Okay. After completing one circle, just again make another circle, put dots, make a circle and just continuously practicing. Round and round, round and round, round and round. Continuously you all have to do, okay? Let's practice it one more time. Put the dots, make a circle. Now, round and round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, it's really a fun, na? Okay. Now the fourth exercise is infinite symbol. So we all know infinite symbol, right? So first let's draw an infinite symbol like this. This is the infinite symbol. Just draw it continuously over and over, over and over, over and over. कंटिन्यूसली ड्रॉ करने से आपके हैंड में स्मूथनेस आएगी एंड आपका परफेक्शन और दिन पर दिन बढ़ता ही जाएगा. इसे आपको डेली प्रैक्टिस करना है सो दैट आप अपने हैंड्स को फ्री कर पाएंगे और फिर उसके बाद आप किसी भी तरह की ड्राइंग को ईजिली ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. सो लेट्स प्रैक्टिस इट अगेन ओवर एंड ओवर, ओवर एंड ओवर. इन्फिनाइट सिंबल. वेरी इजी, नो? Okay. Now the next and the last exercise, fifth exercise is stroke practice with the dot. Okay. Stroke practice करनी है अब हमें. सबसे पहले हम एक dot put करेंगे, छोटा सा dot, और उससे हम small lines निकालेंगे जो सभी directions में जाएगी like this. Put a dot and give the strokes like this in the all directions. Again put a dot, then strokes. सभी डायरेक्शंस में आपके हैंड स्मूथली चल सके इसके लिए ये वाली एक्सरसाइज करवाई जा रही है. अब सीन फिफ्थ एक्सरसाइज यानी कि स्ट्रोक प्रैक्टिस में हम एक और एक्सरसाइज ऐड करेंगे. दिस इज़ योर फोकस पॉइंट. ओके, ये फोकस पॉइंट है, यहाँ से आपको बनाने हैं सर्कल्स. ओके, ड्रॉ एज मैनी एज सर्कल्स एज यू कैन. लाइकवाइज 1, 2, 3 and the fourth circle. इसी तरीके से आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी है. 1, 2, 3, 4 and this. Now the next one फिर से हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. Likewise, draw as many as circles as you can. और यहाँ पे मैंने आपको 3 सर्कल्स और इन्फिनाइट सिंबल भी 2 टाइम्स प्रैक्टिस दिखाया है. 5th एक्सरसाइज को भी हमने 5 टाइम्स प्रैक्टिस किया है. तो आप तब तक प्रैक्टिस करेंगे जब तक आपका हाथ उसमें सेट ना हो जाए, जब तक आपका हैंड फ्रीली मूव ना करने लग जाए. ओके, yes, like this. So practice these shapes till you achieve the results. So that's all about the today's class, and I hope that you all practice it daily. So bye bye all of you, and thank you for watching.